Well, the tide is way out. I mean, really out this time. Won't be back in until about just before 4 o'clock this afternoon. Left the battery pack to the nice camera home. Forgot all about it. So we get video and cell phone pictures. That's actually a very nice RV park over there. Very large, but also kind of like a large parking lot. We're gonna go into town today, do a little shopping, find Jade a little Spanish dress. And we're not really happy with the hot tub. They got a nice hot tub, but it's not very warm. We like ours 103 to 104. That one's about 85. I don't know if it's working properly. Joy's in here cooking breakfast, everybody. Maybe we can take a peek. This condo is a heck of a lot nicer than the other one. Say good morning. What's so good about it? She's got this stupid looking, what is that thing? That's stupid looking, what is that?
Hi, dog. It's Miss Cyrus Hood, and she's the daughter of Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf.
I like the Big Bad Wolf. I got woke up to some kind of Christmas movie. Joy's in here. We got coffee going. Joy's inspecting the sausage for thoroughness and firmness. Looks cooked.
I'm checking repeat. Seems kind of soft.
No soft sausage allowed. Not permitted. Anyway, that's the kitchen. Much cleaner. Nicer pool. Bar
Hot
closed.
tub's still cold.
That's what I said, you know. We don't understand why that is.
Only with 90 degrees.
Oh,
The
nice.
bar pool's warm.
Bar pool's warm. Okay. Anyway, we'll go down here. It kind of set up the same way. Bathroom doors right there in the lab. These double doors are washer and dryer. And hey, Joe, I found my brush. That was the bedroom. We don't want to go in the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom, but it's kind of a mess.